Tired of those annoying hiccups ruining your day? Well, put down the water and grab a teaspoon of sugar. This simple trick can actually stop hiccups in their tracks. When you swallow sugar, it stimulates the vagus nerve. This nerve controls various functions, including your diaphragm. By stimulating the vagus nerve, sugar helps reset your diaphragm's rhythm. This interruption allows your breathing to return to normal. So next time hiccups strike, skip the strange remedies. Reach for a spoonful of sugar and enjoy sweet relief. Your hiccups won't stand a chance.